Welcome everybody, it's Ramachandra from CIVIL-MECH-MATHS concepts, and in this video I will be explaining about the trigonometry identities, compound identities. I will be continuing and I will be coupling trigonometry along with algebra. Please listen to me. Welcome everybody, it's Ramachandra from CIVIL-MECH-MATHS concepts. This channel I have started with an intention to teach mathematics and engineering subjects for all the competitive examinations from SSC, RRB to UPSC and GATE examinations. Until now I have released around more than 25 videos on mathematics and engineering subjects, and I have released some lectures even for RRB NTPC, and my latest was RRB NTPC Trigonometry three. Kindly view that lecture. It gives insight about the compounding angles and their calculations for sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. The definitions for a right angle triangle where the angle theta is less than 90 degrees are already given in detail, and also till now we have dealt with for the angles more than 90 degrees also how to calculate the values of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, and also subsequent inverses of them, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta, with the all silver tea cups. This is what we have discussed in the first quadrant, where the angle is from 0 degrees to 90 degrees or pi by 2, and in the second quadrant the angle is from 90 degrees to 180 degrees or pi, and in the third quadrant the angle is from 180 degrees to 240 degrees and 2 pi by 3, no, it's not 2 pi by 3, it's a mistake from my side, 180 to 270, it's not 240, sorry, it's 270 degrees it is 3 pi by 2, and another is 0 degrees or we can say 360 degrees, fourth quadrant, and we can say 2 pi degree, 2 pi radians. Then this particular trigonometry, to better understand, we require little bit of algebra also. I thought of giving MCQs in this lecture, but however I felt that there is a need for understanding little algebra before going further. to MCQs. Now, let us say for 0 degree or 0 radians, sin 0 is equal to 0, cos 0 is equal to 1, tan 0 is equal to 0. For 90 degrees or pi by 2 radians, please see this, sin 90 in degrees it is 1. The same can be written as sin pi by 2 when angle is taken in radians. Then cos 90 is equal to 0, that is equal to cos pi by 2. Then tan 90 is equal to infinity, that is equal to tan pi by 2. Now similarly for 180 degrees pi radians, it implies sin 180 degrees is equal to 0, that is equal to sin pi. Cos 180 degrees, cos 180 is cos 0, we can say that is in the second quadrant. In second quadrant cos is negative, minus 1, that is equal to cos pi. Then tan 180 degrees is equal to 0, that is equal to tan pi. For other values, as a homework, you do for other values, find all values for 270 degrees or 3 pi by 2 or 360 degrees or 2 pi. Now, let's move further. This is the basic which we have understood till now. Why I am repeating? Because these things are very, very important. Now, let's go for sin 45 degrees, that is 1 by root 2, that is equal to sin, what is 45 degrees? Pi by 4. Here, cos 45 degrees is equal to 1 by root 2, that is equal to cos pi by 4. Tan 45 degrees is equal to 1, that is equal to tan pi by 4. Please remember these values. Another set of values also I want to give. I will write here. Sin 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2, that is equal to sin 60 will be what is 60? 180 by 3, that is pi by 3. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2, that is equal to cos pi by 3. Tan 60 is equal to root 3, that is equal to tan pi by 3. From these 6 basic values, if you remember, then the values of cosecant, secant and cot can be easily. For cosecant, secant and cot, inverse above values. Now, another important formula we have. I am giving the total things of trigonometry what we have learned till now, and On this basis only, the maximum MCQs, the maximum questions are being asked in your RRB NTPC examination. If you draw a right angle triangle like this, three, 4, 5, just for the sake of understanding I am writing 3, 4, 5, you can write anything. Then this is theta. What is that? AC square is equal to Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is Pythagoras theorem. Divide left hand side and right hand side by AC square. What happens? AC square by AC square is equal to AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square. That implies AC by AC whole square is equal to AB by AC whole square plus BC by AC whole square. That implies 1 square is equal to, what is AB by AC? That is adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is cos square theta. What is BC by AC? Opposite side by hypotenuse square. That is sin square theta. That implies sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the important derivation we have got from Pythagoras theorem. Now you see the wonder. Now we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That implies dividing both the sides by sin square theta. What happens? Sin square theta by sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin square theta is equal to 1 by sin square theta. That implies sin theta by sin theta whole square plus cos theta by sin theta whole square is equal to 1 by sin theta whole square. That implies 1 square plus cot square theta. Cos theta by sin theta is cot theta is equal to cosecant square theta. 1 by sin theta is cosecant square. Cosecant. That implies cot square theta minus cosecant square theta is equal to 1. Another derivation we have got. Similarly, we get 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. That implies tan square theta, we can write this way, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Please remember this. You need not remember, you can derive this relation very easily. On the basis of these, you usually get the questions in RRB NTPC. Even though I have done in detail in the previous 5 lectures, I have given the glimpse of everything. Now, so that this lecture will be very important. And from this lecture, once you see this lecture, you get the equations in your mind, you can apply them in the field in the while writing the examination, and you get the answers very easily. Now, for example, you just see the values. When is sin theta is equal to cos theta? Let us ask ourselves, when will be sin theta is equal to cos theta for theta being greater than 0 and less than 90. Sorry, this way we can write. That means theta is in the first quadrant, it's an acute angle, and theta is not equal to 0, theta is less than 90. When will be sin theta is equal to cos theta? Theta is how much? This is the question. That means solution sin theta is equal to cos theta implies sin theta by cos theta is equal to 1. That implies tan theta is equal to 1. That implies theta is equal to 45 degree. Or else it can be sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0 at 45 degree. Or it can be written as one by sin theta minus 1 by cos theta is equal to 0 at 45 degree. I am only reversing, that's all. Nothing, don't worry. That implies cosecant theta minus secant theta is equal to 0 at 45 degree. That is equal to pi by 4. You see, from the values, if you remember these values, sin 0, sin 90, cos 90, tan 90, sin 180, sin 45, sin 60, cos 45, tan 45, from this, by interchanging the identity relations, we get many derivations, we get many results. And once you understand the basic, from that you can derive many, and it will be, the question will be answered in few seconds, not even 10 seconds. Second thing, let us go for this. Mathematically, algebraically, I will give some formulae which are very important. A plus b whole square. What is this? A square plus 2ab plus b square. First formula. Then a plus b whole cube. A cube plus 3ab square plus 3a square b plus b cube. Third, please remember this. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole cube, a cube plus 3ab square minus 3a square b minus b cube. Then, from the above, we can further extend. What is the value? Fifth equation, let us write. A square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Then what will be the value of a cube minus b cube? Remember, what is the value of a cube minus b cube? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Please see, when you have minus here the value is plus. Please remember that way. Then, these whatever I am giving these algebraic formulae, they are very, very important, because on this basis also, application of these, there are questions in RRB NTPC. A cube plus b cube will be a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Please remember these. These are very important. From that we can go back to our what you call, we can say a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4. Let us derive a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4 is equal to a square minus b square into a square plus b square. The other things we can derive. So that try to understand the basics. What are the basic algebraic formula? You have to know a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3ab square plus 3a square b plus b cube. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3ab square minus 3a square b minus b cube. And a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4 is equal to a square minus b square into a square plus b square. Now, with this background, let us try to solve some problems given in RRB NTPC examination, which you will be able to solve very easily. Let us take one question. It is given sin x minus 5 cos x is equal to 2 into root to the power of 6 cos x. Then we have to find cot x. Solution. It is a 10 seconds answer. Divide the given problem on left hand side and right hand side by cos x. What happens? Sin x by cos x minus 5 is equal to 2 root 2 into 1. Do you agree? That means tan x minus 5 is equal to 2 root 2. That means tan x is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6. Then what is cot x? Cot x is reciprocal of tan x. That's nothing but 1 by 5 plus 2 root 6. How it can be written? Can we write another algebraic? Here you see, just see, understand the algebra. A square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. That we know. Okay? Then, can we write this one as 1 by 5 plus 2 root 6 into multiply and divided by 5 minus 2 root 6 divided by 5 minus 2 root 6. Can we do this? Yes, we can. Any number we can divide and multiply with the same number. The original number does not change. We are multiplying and dividing with this number. Then what happens? Cot x is equal to 1 by 5 plus 2 root 6 into 5 minus 2 root 6 is in the formula a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. That we can write it as 5 square. This is a, this is b. 5 square minus 2 root 6 whole square, this is 1, into 5 minus 2 root 6. That is equal to 1 by 5 square is 25 minus 2 into root 6 whole square will be 4 into 6. This will be, for your clarity, I will write like this: 2 square into root 6 whole square into 5 minus 2 root 6. Cot x is equal to 1 by 25 minus 4 into 6 into 5 minus 2 root 6. That is equal to 25 minus 24 is 1. 1 by 25 minus 24 into 5 minus 2 root 6. That is equal to 1 into 5 minus 2 root 6. That is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6 is the answer. You just see little bit of algebra coupled with little bit of algebra coupled with trigonometry. That means the knowledge of algebra is also equally required while solving the trigonometrical question. We can even solve it the other way also. I have shown it in the longest way so that you will grasp the concept. Please try to remember a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This implies a plus b is equal to a square minus b square by a minus b by cross multiplication, and also a minus b is equal to a square minus b square by a plus b. This way also we can write. Please do some mathematics on your own. Try to understand. This type of tricky questions will come which involve two types of trigonometry coupled with algebra. Then I thought it is prudent from my side, it is genuine from my side to give little bit of algebra background also before finalizing the MCQs of trigonometry. Then another good question. You just see how simple these are. Not very tough, very simple. Given tan 15 is equal to 2 minus root 3. Then he is asking us to find tan 15 cot 75 plus tan 75 cot 15. Tan 15 value is already given, so that you can put it here. Cot 75. Can you convert it into tan values? You please remember, this is our circle. In which 75, 15, 75 means everything in the first quadrant. All are positive, less than 90 degrees, 0 to 90 degrees, theta, what is given is 75 and 15. Now, tan 15 value is given. Can you please remember my previous lectures? What they say? Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta for the first quadrant. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Similarly, this cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Please remember. And now, here tan 15 is given to us. This is the property of the trigonometry identities. Tan 15 is equal to 2 minus root 3 given. tan 15 can also be written as tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta, or tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Just to see, this identity we are going to use, or this identity we are going to use. Now, can you write tan 15 is equal to cot 90 minus 15? Can we write this way? Yes, we can write. That is equal to cot 75. That means tan 15 degree is equal to cot 75. That means cot 75 can be replaced with tan 15. Tan 15 value is already known to you. Then what is cot 15? Cot 15 is equal to tan 90 minus 15, that is equal to tan 75. That means tan 75 and cot 15 are same, which implies tan 75 degree is equal to cot 15. If you are confused, I will clarify here, because it's very simple. I have explained in my previous lectures, but here again I will give you this is the circle, and I have drawn one theta here, one angle, right angle triangle. This is A, this is C, this is B, this is B dash, and this is the theta. I have already explained you this. This is, let us say, A dash. AB is equal to A dash C. From the geometry, AB is equal to A dash C. And if it is theta, this angle will be 90 minus theta. Agreed? This is the circle you keep in your mind. Then, for theta, sin theta is equal to, for theta, what is the opposite side? BC by AC. Then for sin 90 minus theta, what is the opposite side? For 90 minus theta, A dash C divided by AC. This is for 90 minus theta. Please see. Please try to remember. I have already explained you in the previous classes. That means sin theta is equal to BC by AC is equal to, where sin 90 minus theta is equal to A dash C by AC. What is A dash C? A dash C is equal to AB. That means AB by AC. What is AB for theta? AB for theta is adjacent side. That means cos theta, adjacent side by hypotenuse. That implies sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Similarly, prove it for homework. Prove that cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Prove this one. You just say cos 90 minus theta means for 90 minus theta, cos is adjacent side, that is equal to a dash. A dash is equal to CB from the geometry or BC. From this we can say sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Then what is tan 90 minus theta? That is equal to sin 90 minus theta divided by cos 90 minus theta, that is equal to cos theta divided by sin theta, that is equal to cot theta. That tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. These I have already explained in my previous classes. Please see my previous lectures. Now, you apply this in this particular question, you can get the answer. Now, what is tan 15 is equal to, given tan 15 is equal to 2 minus root 3, which is nothing but, tan 15 is nothing but cot 75. And what is what you call tan 75 is equal to cot 15. Cot, when tan 15 is given 2 minus root 3, cot 15 will be 1 by tan 15, that is equal to 1 by 2 minus root 3. Substitute these values. What we have to find out? Tan 15 into cot 75 plus tan 75 into cot 15. This is what we have to find out. What is tan 15? 2 minus root 3. Given. What is cot 75? Tan 15 and cot 75 both are same. You see. From this formula. Then this will be 2 minus root 3 plus. What is tan 75? Tan 75 is nothing but cot 15. That is equal to 1 by tan 15. That is 1 by 2 into root 3. 2 minus root 3. 1 by 2 minus root 3 into 1 by 2 minus root 3. This is the value we have to find out. Very simple. Easy. 2 minus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 is 2 square plus root 3 whole square minus 2 into 2 into root 3. This is one value plus 1 by 2 minus root 3 is 2 minus root 3. Here also it is same value, that is 2 square plus root 3 whole square, this minus root 3 we can say, minus 2 into 2 into root 3. This will be root 3 minus root 3 whole square is nothing but it will become plus, and this is 4 plus 3 minus 4 into root 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 3 minus 4 into root 3. Just see. 7 minus 4 into root 3 plus 1 by 7 minus 4 into root 3. And we can even say, we know a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. This 1 by 2 minus root 3, we can write it as, how we can write it as? 1 by a minus b is equal to a plus b divided by a square minus b square. By cross multiplication you can know it. Then 1 by 2 minus root 3, how we can write it as? 1 by 2 minus root 3 is 1 by 2 minus root 3 is equal to a plus b. That means 2 plus root 3 divided by a square, 4 minus root 3 whole square. That is equal to 2 plus root 3 divided by 4 minus 3. That is equal to 2 plus root 3. That we can write this as 1 by 2 minus root 3 as 2 plus root 3. That also we can do. Now you just see. Tan 15 is equal to 2 minus root 3. Cot 75 is equal to 2 minus root 3. Tan 75 is equal to 1 by 2 minus root 3. Cot 15 is equal to 1 by 2 minus root 3. From these 4 values which we have got, tan 15 into cot 75 plus tan 75 into cot 15, that is equal to, what is the value of 1 by 2 minus root 3? 1 by a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. What is that? A plus b by a square minus b square. A plus b divided by a square minus b square. From this, 1 by 2 minus root 3 is nothing but 2 plus root 3, which we have done it earlier. Now substitute these values. What is tan 15? 2 minus root 3. Cot 75, 2 minus root 3, plus what is tan 75? That is 1 by 2 minus root 3, which is nothing but 2 plus root 3, into what is cot 15? It is 1 by 2 minus root 3, which is nothing but 2 plus root 3. That is equal to 2 minus root 3 whole square plus 2 plus root 3 whole square. Now, from this we can get another important, very good derivation. A minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square is equal to 2 into a square plus b square. This also you please try to remember. Then this will be 2 into 2 square plus root 3 whole square. That is equal to 4 plus 3, 7. 7 into 2, 2 into 4 plus 3. That is equal to 14. Answer is 14. Answer is 14. Please see. When you know the basics, it is a very simple question which you can do in seconds. I will again go through the basics which I have taught you. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Then secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. Cosecant theta minus 90 is equal to secant theta. And cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Please remember these 6 identities. I have already explained in previous classes in detail. Please see my previous classes also, previous lectures. Remember this. And as far as algebra is concerned, a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b, which implies 1 by a plus b is equal to a minus b by a square minus b square. Please remember this. Please remember this also, very important, because application of these only will come usually. 1 by a minus b is equal to a plus b by a square minus b square. If you remember this formula, similarly a cube minus b cube I have already explained here. What is a cube plus b cube? A cube plus b cube is equal to, I have written already for you. It can be including cubes also in the examination they can give. We have done with what you call squares here. This is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, and a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Please remember these two formula also, and we can even say what is 1 by a plus b, which implies 1 by a plus b is equal to 1 by a plus b is equal to, if it is in cubed form, we can say 1 by a plus b is equal to a square minus ab plus b square whole divided by a cube plus b cube. This is 1 by a plus b in terms of cubes, and similarly 1 by a minus b. Sometimes we get this also. Here it will be a square plus ab plus b square a minus b is divided by a cube minus b cube. These are only derivations of the primary equations. If you are familiar with these 6 formula here, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, secant theta, cosecant theta, cot theta, original when theta is less than 90 degrees, then sin 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta, secant 90 minus theta, cosecant 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus theta. Then with this a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. 1 by a plus b is equal to a minus b by a square minus b square. 1 by a minus b is equal to a plus b by a square minus b square. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. 1 by a plus b in cubic terms is a square minus ab plus b square by a cube plus b cube. 1 by a minus b is equal to a square plus ab plus b square by a cube minus b cube. Now, I'll give some good homework. Please do this homework. Find the values of 1. Sin 180 minus theta. Cos 180 minus theta in terms of theta. Tan 180 minus theta in terms of theta, please find. And cosecant 180 minus theta, secant 180 minus theta, and then cot 180 minus theta. Don't stop here only. Find another set. Sin 270 minus theta, cos 270 minus theta, tan 270 minus theta, cosecant 270 minus theta, secant 270 minus theta, cot 270 minus theta. Then try to find values of in terms of theta. 1. Sin 360 minus theta. 2. Cos 360 minus theta. 3. Tan 360 minus theta. 4. Cosecant 360 minus theta. Secant 360 minus theta. Cot 360 minus theta. In the next class, the implication of positive sign. Positive sign like 90 plus theta, 180 plus theta, 270 plus theta, 360 plus theta we will discuss. Then we will go for MCQs. And regarding algebra, I want to give some homework. What is the value of 1 by 3 minus 2 root 2? Can you simplify? Simplify this. Simplify this. From the formula what I have told, a plus b is equal to, 1 by a plus b is equal to a minus b by a square minus b square. This formula you use. This is the hint. You simplify this value. Now, I feel I have given sufficient all-round lecture on trigonometry, trigonometric identities and usage of algebraic equations in trigonometry. and use all of them. Please do maximum possible questions from the previous year's questions and also from your textbooks, and I will give maybe a moderate to difficult questions, important MCQs, little bit brainstorming MCQs in the next lecture. I thought of giving the MCQs in this lecture only because we require a background of little bit of algebra also for doing the trigonometric questions as being asked in RRB NTPC. I thought it is prudent for me, it is genuine from my side to give a basic knowledge on algebra coupled with the angles and different angles like 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta, 360 plus theta. These I have given the glimpse, and in the next class if possible I will take up plus theta also, but however you please do it on your own. If something is 90 plus theta means, please I will give the hint, 90 plus theta implies 90 plus theta implies 180 minus 90 plus theta. Can we write like this? Yes. Which implies 90 plus theta is equal to 180 minus 90 minus theta. In this way also we can write. Use this hint and find out 90 plus theta values. Hint. Similarly, the hint is same for 270 plus theta also, 180 plus theta also. Use this hint. If possible, I'll do this 1 or 2 examples I'll include in my MCQs in the next lecture so that you will understand very easily this concept. These concepts are very, very important. Don't let loose your concentration in understanding the concepts, and once you understand the concepts, you can apply in the examination. You can solve any type of questions if your concepts are very clear. I took little bit of more time on trigonometry and a little bit of geometry explaining because these are the questions which you will be able to do very easily and you can understand them also, and they give a geometrical meaning so that once we go into the chapter of geometry, you can appreciate the importance of trigonometry and you will be able to solve geometry questions also with ease. Best of luck to everybody. It's Ramchandra from CIVIL-MECH-MATHS Concepts, and we'll go for MCQs in the next class, and after that we'll go for geometry. Best of luck again to everybody. Thank you for listening to me.